Virat Kohli, one of cricket's most influential and inspiring figures, has left an unforgettable mark on the sport. From his humble beginnings in the streets of Delhi to becoming a global sports superstar, Kohli's journey is a testament to his passion, dedication, and exceptional talent. Kohli's love for cricket bloomed at a young age. Growing up in Delhi, he would spend hours playing in the streets, honing his skills and dreaming of representing his country on the international stage. Even as a young cricketer, Kohli displayed a competitive spirit and an unwavering enthusiasm for the game. The turning point in Kohli's career came in 2008 when he led the Indian under-19 cricket team to victory in the U19 World Cup. As the captain, he not only showcased his leadership potential but also displayed his batting prowess, including a crucial century in the final. This milestone win was a sign of greater things to come for Kohli. Making his national debut in the same year, Kohli had the daunting task of proving himself on the international stage. With his aggressive and fearless approach, he quickly silenced any doubts about his abilities. His immense talent was evident in his technique, adaptability, and ability to score consistently in both one-day internationals, ODIs, and test matches. In 2013, Kohli took over the captaincy of the ODI team from the legendary MS Dhoni. Under his leadership, the Indian team underwent a transformation, emphasizing fitness and intensity on the field. His commitment to building a formidable team was further recognized when he was appointed as the Test captain in 2014. Kohli's focus on creating a team that could perform well both at home and abroad has been instrumental in India's success in Test cricket. Kohli's ability to chase down targets in ODIs has earned him the title of Chasing Maestro. He has an exceptional record of scoring centuries while chasing high totals, showcasing his mental strength and ability to thrive under pressure. His knack for scoring centuries has helped him set numerous records for the fastest centuries in ODIs, solidifying his position as one of the greatest batsmen of his generation. What sets Kohli apart is his remarkable consistency across all formats of the game. His ability to maintain a high level of performance in both ODIs and Test matches has made him one of the most reliable and dependable batsmen in modern cricket. Whether it is scoring centuries or anchoring the innings, Kohli's presence on the field instills confidence in his teammates and fear in the opposition. Beyond his cricketing achievements, Kohli is known for his philanthropic work and advocacy for a healthy lifestyle. His dedication to fitness and discipline has inspired many, making him not just a cricketing icon but also a youth icon. Kohli's impact reaches far beyond the cricket field, making him a role model for aspiring cricketers and a symbol of excellence in sport. Virat Kohli's cricket journey is a story of passion, dedication, and exceptional talent. From the streets of Delhi to becoming a global sports superstar, he has left an indelible mark on the sport. His ability to consistently perform at the highest level, his remarkable chasing abilities, and his commitment to the game have cemented his legacy. Kohli continues to inspire and motivate aspiring cricketers around the world, and his impact extends far beyond the boundaries of cricket.